CJEU, and other institutions. Let's take a look into the Court of Justice of the European Union and the web of institutions that shape the EU's decision-making process. In Luxembourg, the Court of Justice of the European Union was established in 1952, and its primary mission is to ensure a consistent interpretation and application of EU law across its member countries. Comprising two integral parts, the Court of Justice and the General Court, the CJEU settles disputes between national governments and EU institutions. Each judge and advocate general appointed by national governments serves a renewable 6-year term. The CJEU operates through a process involving both written and oral stages, culminating in the delivery of verdicts on cases brought before it. It wields the power to interpret, enforce, annul EU legal acts, and even sanction institutions. Now, let's zoom out and explore the European Union's institutional landscape. 7 institutions and over 30 agencies working together to address common interests. Key decision-making players include the European Parliament, the European Council, the Council of the European Union, and the European Commission. The EU's decision-making procedure and institutions' powers are outlined in founding treaties, with the Lisbon Treaty introducing crucial amendments. In this way of governance, the Commission proposes laws, while the Parliament and Council adopt them, ensuring proper application through the Commission. This collaborative effort ensures that the EU remains responsive to the needs and interests of its citizens. Stay tuned for more insights into the Court of Justice of the European Union and law.